A creative frame can instantly direct attention to the most important part of your poster. Open Canva and create a new product poster with the dimensions that suit your project. Choose a clean background before opening the Elements library and adding rectangles, circles, or custom shapes to build a decorative frame around the center of the layout. Resize and position the shapes carefully so they create structure without overpowering the design. Upload your product image and place it neatly inside the framed area. Add a bold headline above or below the product, followed by a short description, pricing, and a call to action using clean, professional fonts. Keep your color palette consistent